Hello everyone, my name is Marit Segil Pradana. You can call me Marit. I'm a student of Unukiri, especially in English educational program. And today, in this video, I will share my analysis, and it is for my midterm examination of critical listening course. Yeah, in this project, I will analyze a professional movie review that is from YouTube Criticons. Yeah, it is very famous in the YouTube. Name is Chris Stuckman. Yeah, you can see the channel in here. Yeah, the movie being reviewed today is a Michael. Yeah, we can see. I think Michael is 2026 biopic that is released in the early 2026 right now. It is about Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, I think it is his biography or something that is documentary in his life. Yeah. Today my goal is not only to review the movie, but I analyze how the critic delivered their argument or his argument. Yeah. Okay. First of all, let's talk about the fact. The fact in here that is we can see, or the fact is the things that is it can be proven, and especially this is real. Yeah, so I think the fact is something that is a real and it can be proven. In his review, Chris Stuckman shared several factual points. I make it only three. Yeah, the first one is he mentioned that is the film is directed by Anthony Fuqua. Yeah, this is the fact that we can check at the movie credit, of course. Yeah, or we can check, I think, in IMDb application or website. Yeah, we can see over there. And the next is about the fact number two. He tell us about the actor that play Michael Jackson is Jafar Jackson. So I think it is a very match. Why? It is because Jafar Jackson is Michael Jackson nephew in real life. So I think it is very match characteristic. Okay, we move into the third fact in here. The fact number three. The review inform us that is the movie is a biopic produced by Graham King. You know Graham King, right? That is the same producer who worked on the Bohemian Rhapsody. That is a very good song, yeah. I think for me, yeah. I think that's all. The point that all very objective information that we can find on Google or IMDb or the news or everywhere you can see, and I also have those proven in the clips, yeah. Okay, we move into the opinion first. I have a 3 point in opinion. Opinion here is Chris' personal feelings. Even though that is Chris is a professional, he share many subjective view. Yeah, jadi so I think there are many things that is comes from a Chris by himself. Yeah. The opinion number one is Chris says that Jafar Jackson performance is miraculous, while he might think so. Another person might think the actor was just okay. So I think it is his own opinion. Yeah, yeah. I think it's depend on him or his taste. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, his taste. And the opinion number two, that is he think the movie lighting in the dance scene, yeah, over there is breathtaking. So I think it is also his feeling. Yeah, it can be wrong, it can be right. So I think it is not a hard fact. Yeah. Okay. Opinion number three in here that he state that the movie is the best biopic of the decade. Yeah, this is a very strong and a very big opinion, because other people I think might like other movie video better. So I think it is Chris opinion. Yeah, very strong opinion. As we can see that all about the opinion that help us understand the criticans or Chris taste. So I think everyone has their own taste, but in here the opinion that I just said, that is Chris' opinion. Okay, let's move into the third one. We can see in here that is the purpose and the tone. Let's analyze the speaker purpose and tone. First of all, I have to say that I believe that primary purpose of the Chris Tuckman is to persuade us. He wants to convince that is his viewer whether they should spend their money and time to watch this movie at the theater or the IMAX that I showed the poster before it. And I think his tone is a very objective and sincere in here, that is he doesn't sound like that he is just making a joke or being sarcastic, but instead he speak with a respect. So I think we can see that is the evidence offer that for example, that is when he talk about sad parts of the movie, his voice become lower and more serious, that we can see over there. This show that his tone very honest, and it is not only for entertainment. It is not only for the entertainment. Finally, we comes into my critical reflection in here, that is after listening or watch this video, that the whole review, I conclude that is Chris Tuckman argument is logical and not biased. He is a very fair. He praise the acting, but he also talk about the parts that of the story that feel too long, in this video you can see over there, because he explained both the good and the bad point with a clear reason. So I think I can see that I trust him. I trust his analysis. He doesn't just love it because he is the fan. I didn't mention that he is a fan, but you can see over there that he is a very big fan of Michael Jackson. But it is not because of he is a fan. He evaluate like professional criticus. That's all my analysis today. I hope this video can see how critical listening help us understand about the media better than before. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye bye.